C1000-022 is the replacement test of C9020-668. To pass IBM C1000-022 exam successfully, our new cracked IBM certification C1000-022 real exam questions are helpful in your preparation. Share some IBM C1000-022 real exam questions in this video. 1. A customer plans to upgrade its LTO4 tapes and drives to LTO7 drives. Which solution should the technical specialist propose concerning existing media that needs to be retained for later recovery? A. Reformat the LTO4 media to be used by LTO7 drives. B. Existing media can be read using LTO7 drives. C. Use the LTO4 drive to write to the new LTO7 media. D. Keep an existing drive to process existing LTO4 media. Answer, D. 2. Which solution allows for the greatest effective capacity per EIA unit of rack space? A. IBM Storewise V7000F. B. IBM Flash System 9100. C. IBM Storewise V5030F. D. IBM Flash System A9000R. Answer, B. 3. A customer with a highly virtualized VMware environment and several bare metal Oracle servers is interested in data protection and replication between its on-site and IBM cloud environments. Which technology should be discussed? A. IBM Spectrum Protect Snapshot. B. IBM Spectrum Protect for virtual environments. C. IBM Spectrum Protect Plus. D. IBM Spectrum Protect Extended Edition. Answer, C. 4. A customer is looking for a storage solution to archive data in the environment. The customer needs to control the environment as much as possible. What is the recommended technology from a price per terabyte standpoint? A. Large form factor disk drives. B. IBM Cloud Object Storage. C. LTO Enterprise Tape. D. Virtual Tape Library. Answer, C. 5. A customer has an IBM Spectrum Virtualize environment as part of the IBM Spectrum Storage Suite. Snapshot is frequently used for short-term backups of databases. Increases in the database size have created the need for an additional storage footprint to store short-term backups, but capital expenses are on hold. What should the technical specialist recommend? A. Implement transparent cloud tiering. B. Purchase a high-density expansion for the IBM SAN volume controller. C. Leverage IBM Spectrum copy data management. D. Install IBM Spectrum Scale. Answer, D. 6. A scientific customer is evaluating the IBM TS4500 against the Spectra Logic and Quantum scalar i6000 and suggests that there is no difference since these vendors use IBM manufactured drives in their libraries. What is a key advantage of the IBM TS4500? A. Modular frames for expansion. B. Vendor-agnostic media reporting. C. Standard 19 inches rack form factor. D. Faster move time for tape mounts. Answer, A. 7. What is the default configuration of a RAID protection level in an IBM DS8886 HPFE? A. RAID 10. B. RAID 6, C. RAID 1, D. RAID 5. Answer B. 8. What describes IBM maintenance remote support security features for the IBM TS4500? A. IBM TS4500 call home support defaults to email notification rather than direct dial-in. B. Customer data on tape or in memory is encrypted for transmission during remote support sessions. C. IBM TS4500 tape library supports password-protected dial-in via Telnet or FTP. D. Dial-in is restricted through the IMC, requiring separate logins for each attached system. Answer D. 9. A cloud service provider is looking to provide a scalable solution that provides quality of service capabilities, ease of management, deduplication, and integration with Open Stack and VMware while providing sub-millisecond response time. Which solution should the technical specialist recommend? A. IBM Flash System A9000R, B. IBM Flash System 900, C. IBM Spectrum Scale, D. IBM Spectrum Accelerate. Answer A. 10. Which IBM product should the technical specialist propose to a customer who wants to store multiple PBs of unstructured data that requires a single namespace? A. IBM Spectrum Insights, B. IBM Spectrum Archive, C. IBM Spectrum Scale, D. IBM Clustered Storewise Array. Answer C.